guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Stacy's Universe and I am Stacy. Today we're going to be exploring Tulip's one-step Americana kit in honor of 4th of July. I thought that would be kind of fun. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that comes in the kit. I'm going to be showing you guys how to tie it, how to dye it, all the good stuff. And if you please stick around to the very end, I'm going to be showing you guys the finished product. Thank you so much and please continue watching. Alright guys, so for today's project, we're going to need Tulip's one-step tie-dye Americana kit. We're going to need paper towels, something to tie-dye. I'm going to do a onesie and a t-shirt, a drying rack, which is optional, and also a tablecloth. Okay, and we're just going to start by going ahead and opening up this kit right here. Mine got a little messed up in the mail. Let's see. So far we have a turquoise, a red, blue, another turquoise, and another red. This also comes with iron-on transfers and crystals. It comes with 2 pairs of gloves, 20 rubber bands, a project guide. So let's just go ahead and get the rest of it open. So here's the gloves and the little rhinestone thingies, the iron-on transfers, and rubber bands, and the project guide. So let's see, what does the project guide have all in it? Let's see here. Pre-wash your fabric. I soaked mine in a soda ash solution. Mix the dye, wearing protective gloves, dye the fabric, wrap, let's set, rinse. Okay, and let's see here. We have some techniques that we can do that they recommend. I think maybe for the t-shirt, maybe we should try the Sunburst, because it will be kind of like fireworks. And then I thought maybe for the onesie, we'll just do a bullseye, which is just going to be like a big firework, you know? I don't know. Maybe. Be kind of cool. I'm gonna read how to do this. And bind fabric several inches apart. Apply dye to tips. Apply dye to the remaining fabric. Seems pretty easy, so let's go ahead and get started with the t-shirt. Just to grab it, pinch up, and then tie that off. So let's do that. I'm just gonna start grabbing and pinching. Let me do one like kind of more like right here for you guys to see a little bit better. And then I'll probably just do a sped up version, or a sped up for the rest of the video, but you'll get the gist of what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just grabbing, pinch and bind fabric. Yeah, okay. I'm pinching and just tying it off. Alright guys, So I went ahead and I got all of these little things tied up, and I'm going to go and grab some saran wrap because I know that this is not gonna fit in a bag very well. And I'll be right back and we'll do the onesie. Okay, and for this one we're just gonna do the bullseye pattern. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to I want the center to be about right here. So I'm just gonna pick it, I'm just kind of the same exact thing, pinch it up and then just pull it up like that. Pull it completely up. And then I'm just gonna tie a rubber band around it where I want that initial circle to be. Okay, and I'm gonna tie it right here. And we'll do one more right here. Okay, and now our onesie is tied up for the bullseye. Alright guys, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started doing the dyeing. And what I'm gonna do for this one, I want only two colors. I want red and blue. So I'm gonna go fill these up real quick and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and I got this all mixed up. And now all I'm going to do is go ahead and get started dyeing. What I'm gonna do for this is I want these little things to be red, and then I'm gonna dye the rest blue. Dyed up. Kind of maybe went a little overboard on some of them, but hopefully it still turns out pretty cool. And then I'm just going to use this blue to do the rest of it. Okay guys, and I decided kind of like last minute to try to just kind of like scrunch it up a little, just because I thought maybe, well, one, we would kind of get like a little effect possibly, and also because it'll just be easier to saran wrap like this. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, and now I'm gonna get started on the blue. Blue. I do have another bottle, but I actually think maybe it would be kind of cool to have turquoise too. So I'm gonna go and just fill this guy up and I'll be right back. Just wrap this up real quick and we'll get started on the onesie. I'm gonna go ahead and get this put in the bag, and then I will let these sit, and then I'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, so it's actually been about 48 hours. Instead of just leaving it overnight, I left it for a couple of days, and now I'm just gonna get started on rinsing it out. Alright guys, and I'm just going to go ahead and get these washed up and I'll show you the finished product. And here is the finished product. I thought it turned out pretty cool, and here is the onesie. So cute. I didn't do any of the iron-ons because I couldn't find my iron, but I thought it turned out really nice. I thought today's project turned out pretty darn cool. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to spread love wherever you go. And last but not least, ring-a-ding-ding that bell. Okay, bye.